Meaning of hush.
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 Hush. Hush is a verb that means to make something or someone quiet or still. It can also be used as an interjection to tell someone to be quiet. For example, parents might say hush to their children when they're making too much noise. The word can also be used in the phrase hush money, which refers to a sum of money paid to keep someone quiet about a particular situation. Overall, hush is a simple but versatile word that is often used to describe the act of bringing calm and quietness to a situation.